This week's spelling words contain words that have the long O vowel sound. Home, nose, rope. Boat, road, soap. Snow, crow, slow. And our red words for the week are two, and two. I'll explain the difference between those three types of the word two in just a moment. So I'm going to get out a sheet of paper and write the words. So go ahead and grab a sheet of paper and write along with me. First three words have the O consonant magic E pattern. So word number one is home. H O M E. Notice that I've color coded and the vowels are in purple, the consonants are in black. Number two, nose. N-O-S-E. My nose felt itchy after being outside. Number three, rope. They use the rope to save someone from the side of the mountain. Rope. The next spelling pattern is using the OA vowel team to make the long O sound. The first word using that pattern is boat. The boat was gliding over the water. Boat. Number five, road. The road was slippery after it snowed. Road. Number six, soap. Make sure you use soap. Soap. The next three words contain the O, W vowel team. So number seven is snow. I wonder if we'll get any more snow this year. Snow. Number eight, crow. I heard the crow outside my window. Number nine, slow. The turtle was moving awfully slow across the road. Slow. This week our red words are number 10, two. Let's go to the barn. Two. So notice number 11 is also using the word to, but it has an extra O at the end. This type of to also could be the same meaning as the word also. So if I said, I want to go to, you could also replace the word also there. I want to go also. Or this could mean like too much of something. Please don't put too much sugar in the tea. Number 12 is 2, like the number 2. He will be 2 years old. 2.